Hello class, I'm working out of your fundamentals book 6.3 and we're working on sales tax. I'm going to do a couple of examples, but to get started, we're just going to think. When we go into a store and we have an item with a selling price, for instance, if you've saved up for something that you want to buy and it costs $100, there is sales tax on that. So you won't just pay $100 for your item, you're going to also pay whatever the percentage of sales tax is. And it's somewhere around 8% in Missouri. I'd have to actually look it up for the current sales tax. So you're adding the amount of tax to the initial price of the item you're buying. We're going to be looking at examples for that in this section. All right, to get started, if you go to the store and you buy clothes and your clothes end up costing $64 at 5% sales tax, then we would understand that 100% of what you're going to spend is $64 plus the 5% that you're going to spend on sales tax. So you're going to spend 105% of the selling price. If you think about it and you take that 105% and convert it to a decimal, you could say 1.05 times 64, and that will give you the full price of the amount that you'll be spending on your item. So 1.05 times 64, and we just work that. We have 20, carry our 2, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2, 4 times 1. Place value holder for our second partial product. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry above your old carry. 6 times 0 is 0 plus 3. 6 times 1. All right, we add our partial products together to create whole products. And we consider our decimal after multiplying normally is back to place values in our factors. So we're going to have $67.20 as our total expenditure, including sales tax, for $64 in clothes items. All right, another example. If you have the total cost of a computer laptop, you're buying a fancy monitor for your computer maybe, or something like that, as an accessory, and it costs $475, and the sales tax is 5% for the state sales tax, but the city sales tax locally is 1.5%. Okay, so we need to think through adding these two together. Add that. We're going to have 6.5% total on sales tax for our purchase, and we are going to think about 100% of our item cost as well. And so we're going to have 100% of our item cost plus that 6.5% in sales tax. 106.5% total is what we're going to pay. 100% of our sales cost plus all the tax. So if you just multiply your selling price number times the total amount of what you're going to buy at that purchase price plus your sales tax, you'll get the full amount you're spending. Okay, we're going to convert 106.5% to a decimal. When we convert it, it goes to 1.065. All right, we're dividing by 100. Our decimal moved back 2 places, but we still have to consider that little extra 5 at the end. It's part of our value. Now we just multiply 1.065 times 475. Multiply normally. You're going to have 3 partial products. 1, 2, 3, because we are multiplying back 3 place values. So 5 times 5 is 25, carry our 2. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, drop our 2, carry our 3. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, we're multiplying everything times 7 now here. So we're going to have 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42 plus our new carry 3, 45. Drop our 5, carry our 4. I'm carrying above my old carry and organizing my work. 7 times 0 plus 4, 4. 7 times 1. All right. Third partial product. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to say 4 times 5 is 20, drop our 0, carry our 2. It's a new carry. It's going to carry above our old carries. We've already used these. So we're going to have 4 times 6 is 24 plus 2, 26. Drop our 6, carry our 2. We've already used these. Organize your work. 4 times 0 plus 2, and 4 times 1. Alright, we had 3 partial products to add together to make a whole product. We got 15 here, 10 here, and 5 here. Alright, we multiplied normally. Now we're going to consider our place value. 1, 2, 3 back. So I'm going to count back 3 here. I'm close to my spark keys. Maybe you can see that. Okay, so what that means is we're going to present our final answer in money terms, which is always to the hundredths place, which means that the next door neighbor helps us decide whether that value stays the same or changes. It's a 5 on the next door neighbor. That means 7 rounds up to 8. Alright, we write everything before that. Normally it is in dollar units, 505.8. Our decision digit changed to an 8. And to buy an item, your computer accessory, that was $475 with 5% state sales tax and 1.5% city sales tax. Included in that multiplication to find the total amount, we would pay $505.88 total. I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.